Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? We checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Today I'm out here at the park early in the morning. Out here for a quick flight, but this time I have something different. Maybe a new series possibly on the channel. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with the Chop Shop episodes that I've been having. I actually have a separate Chop Shop channel. And I have a bunch of Chop Shops over there if you guys want to go check it out. But I really don't upload too much to the Chop Shop channel anymore. Lately I haven't been anyhow. I plan to jump back on it, but what happened was YouTube seemed to keep moving the bar on me. You know, as far as how many subscribers I need to monetize and all of that stuff. But that's a whole nother story. What the Chop Shop has to do with it, I have a bunch of chop shops that I really didn't show on camera. A lot of times I'm sitting around, I'm just doing chop shops, you know, chopping things up, fixing things, whatnot. And sometimes I come out with some flyable oddities. I call them UFOs, unidentified flyer objects. But these little UFOs, a lot of them are good flyers and all. I just haven't showed them on the channel, and so I decided to start showing you guys them. Machines that I have been chop shopping and coming up with off camera that I fly and play around with. And so the first one that I want to show you guys is this thing here, the first UFO that I want to show you guys. And so Eachine had came out with a little surfboard flyer, a clone of the Extreme Airboard by Airhogs, and this thing had an army man on it. It was an okay flyer, but it wasn't really living up to the expectations that I had for it. It only flew one direction. The airboard from Airhogs actually flew this way as the front of the heading, whereas the Army one just only flew that way. So I chop-chopped this thing. I dropped the Extreme Airboards FC from the Airhogs model inside this one. My kids lost the Army man, of course, but I borrowed this little rider. She's from a clone of the Eachine's version. But anyhow, I got her on here. I was thinking about making her green, getting rid of the boobs, and just making her a green goblin. It flies pretty good. It doesn't fly as well as the Airhogs version, but it does have a removable battery, something that the Airhogs one didn't have. And so I cut a hole in the front so I can fit my stick batteries in there. Let's get this thing up in the air. And she's trying to go up. I learned that do some funnels if it's going up too high. And so it doesn't fly better than the Airhogs one, but it's not bad. I don't think it'll do any flips at all. I mainly just wanted to be able to fly in this heading here. Whoa. Yeah, it's not as nimble as the Airhogs version, but it's not bad though. Definitely better than it was. Let's see, can she do some funnels? Not bad. I'm gonna attempt to flip. I already know it's gonna fall. First, let's do one of our moves. That's the spin that it does when you just press the action button alone. And so here we go with the flip. I'm gonna give it some throttle first. Let's see. And it hit the floor, but it came back up though. So let's bring it back and land it so we can fly it in the other orientation. You can't switch it on the fly, so We're going to bring it back over here and land her. So she landed and didn't fall over. So let's switch the orientation. We're in what I call goblin mode. Actually, let me fix her hands. Okay. So this was the orientation that she flew in normally, with the side of the board being the front. In other words, the way her body is facing is the front of the quad. That's the heading. So we can, this is what it looked like when we do funnels this way. See it up close. That's the funnel in this mode. So instead of surfing, she's like Green Goblin. Green Goblin molding it. So looks like the battery's getting a little weak. If you fly to the side, you can get it to surf though. And it doesn't flip in this mode, it just does circles. Let's do the circles. That's the circles there. That was one thing about the Ishin version and this off-brand version. It was able to flip sideways though, but I think the Airhog one flips cooler. Well, she's getting a little weak. So I think I'm gonna bring her down. Bring her down soon. Yeah, because I don't want her to hit the leaves and all. Whoa, she's going down. She's going up now. Her head is still facing to the side. Oh, she almost hit that little stump over there. Okay, let's bring her back. See if we can get a hand landing. Ah, got her. Turn her upside down. So that's it. Quick flight demo from one of my UFOs, unidentified flyer object. Thanks for watching.